Hello and welcome to MyMidjourney.ai. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through using our web app to create amazing AI-generated images. Once you logged in, go to the setup page. Please make sure you have either subscribed a plan or started a free trial so you have an active MyMidjourney token assigned. Now you can start using the Create page. In the prompt section, simply type what content you want in the image. Choose the image aspect ratio and the styling you want by putting an artist name or a specific style. If you are not sure what artists and styles available, you can go to links and have a look. We support more than 1,000 artists and styles. In this case, we are trying to generate an image with a running cat by the sea in the style of Vincent van Gogh. Depends on your subscription plan, the generation speed varies, and it could take up to a few minutes. For each generation, we generate 4 images at the same time, so you can choose which one suits better. If you want, you can choose one of the images as the reference and regenerate another for more image with the same style and content. Again, depends on your plan, this may take up to a few minutes. Now we have 4 images with the similar content, coloring and styles. Choose the one you like the most and upscale it to get the high-resolution copy. You can download your creation now. Feel free to share it or use it in your projects. That's it. Easy, right? Happy creating!